Monetizing your TikTok account why in Nigeria just got easier, and I'm here to share you guys the details on how to monetize your TikTok account why in Nigeria. Oh yes, come closer. A lot of you do not know that you can actually make money online here, and I'm here to show you guys how to monetize your account, withdraw your money directly into your bank account, and also how to create a UK TikTok account. Everything is in this video, and it's just in 5 minutes. You guys, let's go. So how to monetize your TikTok account here in Nigeria is that you're going to be what, because this is what I've used so far, and this is what I really helped me. So if you're somebody that don't, you're a very shy person, you cannot come on camera and do content and all of that, this method is going to work for you. All you have to do is just come on TikTok and do this basic thing I'm going to be telling you in this video, because it's very simple. This is what I've been helping creators earn a lot of money, and I'm here to share with you guys so it can also help you as well. So a lot of way people make money really on TikTok is creator rewards program. A lot of people that is, you're a content creator, you create content and your content gets a certain amount of view, qualified view, and you get paid for your content. Another way people monetize very quickly is the life reward. Yeah, life reward is what a lot of people are using. Like people that don't need that, they cannot even read and write. Once you come on TikTok live, you see people, destiny helpers coming and blessing. This is what a lot of people are using. I don't know if you come across some people on the live, you see some boys, young boys, about some of them are about 16, 17. They come with their mother, they are dancing, they're telling you support me, send Azar. You see the right, send they'll put their Azar here, they'll tell you send money to the account, so and then when people come in, they throw them lion, throw them universe, throw them galaxy and money gone. Those money are going to be connected. So let's say for instance they throw you a lion costs about $300, so that is the person throwing the lion is going to purchase $300 worth of coins, and you're going to be getting $150 because TikTok is going to be getting 50% of your earnings. Yes, TikTok is going to get 50% of your earnings. Another way that you can also earn is the creator rewards program, and also the video giveaway. People watch your videos, they love your video, they're going to send you gift. Somebody can also send you a lion by when they love your video. So for you to withdraw your earnings on TikTok, because I severally made such with that video on how to withdraw your earnings, and that video is over about close to 1K views now. How to withdraw your earnings, that you can withdraw your earnings using PayPal. PayPal is now legalized in Nigeria, but they use Pega, but it does not work for TikTok though. So you can also still use your Grey app. Use the UK account, use your Grey app. Using the Nigeria account, you can use Payoneer. Somebody contacted me and said I wanted to use the Nigerian domiciliary account. I don't know if that works, but what I use is the Grey app, and you can also use Payoneer to withdraw your money. All you have to do is that when you've accumulated about $9, you can withdraw directly to Grey. All you have to do is download the Grey app. It's spelled Grey. Yes, Grey. I'm going to leave it on the screen so you guys can see. Grey. You register. The Payoneer is Payoneer is Payoneer. Yes, go to your app store, your Play Store. You download it, you register properly. Make sure when you're registering the Payoneer, you're using your right address as using your NIN, so you don't have an issue. Yes, so when you register, all you have to do is click on withdraw. It's going to take you to Chrome. All you have to do is put in the amounts. Everything is going to just go to Grey, and within 2 minutes you're going to be seeing the money in your bank account. All you have to do is once the money gets into Grey, you convert to Naira, or you just send directly. It's going to be converted into your OPay or any regular bank account that you use in Nigeria. So I want to create a UK TikTok account. I've done several videos about that. All you have to do is change your location before you start creating the account to whatever country, USA or United Kingdom. Once you change it, you just start creating the account. You can press continue with Google, and it's done. You guys, I'm going to also leave the free video tutorial on the description so you guys can also watch it. So that's basically how to monetize the TikTok account, create a UK account, and withdraw your earnings to local bank account while in Nigeria. You guys, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I don't want this video to be an aesthetic one, so that's why I came like this. I hope that this video recorded. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.